Good day everyone, my name is May Ansi Omoyan. So now let's talk about the curriculum design's definition. But first and foremost, let's talk about or let's define first what is curriculum. So the term curriculum defined in dictionaries is the courses offered by a school, but it is rarely used in such a general sense in schools depending on how broadly educators define or imply the term. So curriculum typically refers to the knowledge and skills students are expected to learn. So curriculum design is the process of taking a subject and creating a plan for teaching that subject. This includes deciding what materials to use, how those materials will be organized, and how they will be used in the classroom to develop students' knowledge and skills. This includes the learning standard or the learning objectives they are expected to meet, the units and lessons the teachers teach, the assignments or projects given to students, books, materials, videos, and presentations. It also contains readings used in a course, the tests, assessments, and other methods used to evaluate student learning. It also includes the extracurricular activities and resources available at schools. Curriculum design does not just apply only in school but as well as in other situations too. Like for example, if you are trying to teach your co-workers how to use a new technology system, you can design a curriculum. If you are trying to teach your kids how to read or how to be a compassionate human being or how to solve long division, you are also designing a curriculum. To sum it up, curriculum design is a planning period when instructors organize the instructional units for their course. It involves planning activities, readings, lessons, and assessments that achieve educational goals. And that's all for the curriculum design definition.
Good day everyone, hi, I am Jeanette Busamayo. For today's video, I will going to talk about the different types of curriculum design. And now we are already know what is curriculum design. And now we are move on to the types of curriculum design. So there are 4 types of curriculum design. The first is subject-centered curriculum. The second is learner-centered curriculum. And the third is problem-centered curriculum. And the last one is core design curriculum. So first, we are going to talk about the subject-centered curriculum. So this model focuses on the content of the curriculum. So the subject-centered design is correspond mostly to the textbook written for a specific subject. In subject-centered design, this curriculum is centered around a particular discipline. Just imagine if you could go to school and only take science classes. That's the idea behind this type of curriculum design, to provide a complete experience in one specific field of study, or it involves using a specific subject as the focal point of learning. The second is learner-centered curriculum. So this curriculum centered on a certain aspect of learner themselves. They explore the learner's own life or family history or the local environment. In learner-centered design curriculum, students take charge of their own learning by setting goals for themselves, developing for reaching those goals, tracking their progress towards those goals, assessing their performance against those goals, and reflecting on how they can improve their performance against those goals. So learning-centered curriculum design gives students some control over what they're learning so they can pursue topics that excite them. The third is problem-centered curriculum. In the problem-centered curriculum, or problem-based learning, organized subject matters around the problem real or hypothetical needs to be solved. It also inherently engaging the authentic because the students have a real purpose to this inquiry solving of the problem. Problem-centered curriculum. There are the types of problem to be explored may include. The first is life situation involving real problem of practice. The second is to problems that revolves around the life at the given school. The third is problems selected from the local issues. And the last one is philosophical or moral problem. In the problem-centered design, focuses on the real-world problems that students can solve together. Students develop their critical thinking skill as they learn to solve problems collaboratively. For example, if the community wanted students to be able to conduct a research about environmental problems, so they could participate in solving them after graduation. So this would be an example of problem-centered curriculum design. So the last one, or the fourth, is core design. In core design, it centers or general education and the problems are based on common human activities. The central focus of the core design includes common needs, problems, concern of the learners. In core learning design, this curriculum design focuses on learning of a set of common subject, discipline, courses, skills, or knowledge that is necessary for students to master. And that's all my part. Thank you and God bless.